Living in New York means a fast-paced lifestyle. But when it comes to mold in your home or business, it's not something you can afford to ignore. If you're noticing musty odors, water damage, or unexplained health issues, fast mold testing is here to help. Mold isn't just a surface issue, it can grow silently behind walls, under furniture, and inside your air system, impacting your health and damaging your property without you even realizing it. At Fast Mold Testing, we don't take shortcuts. We perform detailed inspections behind furniture, around HVAC systems, and in moisture-prone areas that many inspectors overlook. Our goal is to find the problem early and give you honest, expert guidance you can trust. You'll receive a clear, easy-to-understand report with practical recommendations, so you know exactly what's happening and what steps to take next. If you suspect mold in your New York home or business, don't wait. Call Fast Mold Testing today and get peace of mind from trusted local New York mold inspection professionals.